There are more than 2,000 people in the Travis County Jail tonight. A growing number of those people have a mental health issue, roughly 40%, according to county officials. That's why the county is working on a diversion program.
We're going to get a much clearer picture of what that looks like next week. KXAN's Grace Reader spoke with a woman who was waiting on a solution that could help her son break the jail cycle.
What do we do? Jail is not the answer.
For the last several years, Joy Giles tells us her 39-year-old son, Miguel, has cycled in and out of jail, which is where he is now. Miguel has schizophrenia, and his mom worries Travis County doesn't have the mental health resources to keep this from being her son's life forever.
I feel like the burden is all on me, and I'm just wondering what could be done. What resources?
Next week, county leaders want to answer that question. Travis County is in the beginning stages of creating a mental health diversion program in a diversion center, so that instead of going to jail, some people who have committed nonviolent crimes would get mental health and substance use care instead.
Frankly, we're so far behind other places like Miami, like Tucson, like Nashville, that we need to start the ball rolling.
Next week, everyone with a stake in that project will meet to hash out program specifics. That includes funding.
The building of the building is very expensive, but it is something that could be done through a bond, for example. The ongoing expenses are harder for local governments to pay for because of the way the legislature has capped ongoing revenue for cities and counties.
That's all part of the long-term vision, but Travis County Judge Andy Brown says they're planning to start a pilot program before that diversion center is even built. As a part of that, the county could use one of its existing buildings to treat a handful of people who would otherwise be in jail.
There's a lot of options, obviously a ton of need, but we want to do something with this pilot to where it's going to help us and figure out long-term what we're going to be doing here in Travis County.
For Giles, the idea that her son might get the mental health treatment he desperately needs is a glimmer of hope in what has been a very painful few years.
I love my son, so they're going to call me. I'm going to do everything that I can in my power to try and help him. But I just feel like other things need to be done.
Grace Reader, KXAN News.
And while county leaders figure out what the program could look like next week, staff are simultaneously working to come back to county commissioners with an idea of what the actual diversion center would look like. That should come back by the fall. Now, going in depth, KXAN investigators looked into this issue and they found that thousands of mentally ill people are waiting in county jails to get the help they need. Sometimes these people are waiting for over a year. If you would like to hear their stories, you can head on over to KXAN.com and click on the Locked in Limbo series under our Investigates tab.